Jai Sriman But you are the one, you would not have any kind of longingness, cravingness towards whatever that you have, whatever you do not have. You maintain that kind of stable mind. Oh Rama, who would be there like you in this entire universe? Those who realize Paramatma and Jivatma, those who have self-realization and Paramatma realization, only those people can be like this, and only those people will not be fearing and will not be worrying in spite of they going through several troubles. You are such, Rama. But Rama, you know what? I am not able to, I cannot take separation, I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Oh Amaropama, you are the one who is equivalent to all the devatas. That is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Sattvastham, you always so gentle. That is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Satya Sangaraha Sarvajnaha, you know everything and you are a great man, Mahatma. You have such a great mind, great buddhi, and very, very compassionate towards everyone. Oh Rama, that is why I cannot bear separation from you, Rama. Buddhiman, you have such a great discriminative knowledge, you have such a great intellect. That is why I cannot bear the separation from you, Rama. Oh Rama, please prasidatu bhavan mama, show your compassion on me, Rama. I cannot bear separation from you. Whatever that entire disaster happened, I do not like that at all. Please prasidatu bhavan mama, show compassion on me. Like this again Bharata is requesting Sri Ramachandra Swami, begging Sri Ramachandra Swami and helping Ramachandra Swami understand that Bharata cannot bear the separation from Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is now saying to Rama that, oh Rama, oh my dear brother, definitely Mother Kaikamma has done such a big, huge mistake and huge sin. Definitely she must be punished. But because dharma bandhena baddhosmi, because of that I am tied up with dharma, I did not punish Kaikamma. Oh Rama, I am born in such a wonderful great dynasty. I am also following such a righteousness, great amount of righteousness. Being born in this dynasty, being known all the righteous tenets, and also being born to Dasharatha Maharaju, how would I kill my own mother Kaikamma for the sin that she committed? Anna, oh my dear brother, that is why I did not punish Mother Kaikamma. That is why I did not accused Father Dasharatha Maharaju. I did not scolded Father Dasharatha Maharaju. Oh my dear brother, if you just think about this, only for sake of one lady, only for sake of one Mother Kaikamma, our father has done such a big disaster. You probably know, oh my dear brother, people says that vinasakale viparita buddhihi. As someone is almost getting to die, their mind would not work thoroughly, properly. Antakale hi bhutani mukhyantiti purashrutihi. When person is about to die, their mind would not work properly, their mind would work in a different way, total against way. So for that, our father is real, obvious proof for that. He is almost about to die. At that time, he has taken this decision. He caused such a big disaster. and all of his decisions were totally wrong. Oh my dear brother Rama, now you have to make them correct, because it is said in Shastram that whose son does corrects the mistakes of father, they are known as apatyam. That for the mistakes that father has done, father would not go through those consequences because son has corrected them. If a son doesn't do that, he is no more treated as son at all. That is what Shastram says. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka, a Gita Shloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these shlokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita Sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.